So our last one, we have our rhombus and our kite. And let's change. So you have the sheet, and we're going to be able to use these formulas. Now these ones are much different than our other ones. We need to know something about our rhombus and our kite here. And we really need to know something about their diagonals. And I know you don't have this on your sheet. I just want to show you kind of what these are going to look like. Okay, so if we have this rhombus here, we'll just call it rhomb. Okay, our diagonals are going to go across our figure. Okay, these go across the figure. Okay, they're non-adjacent. So your non-adjacent side. Okay, so RO is a diagonal. HM is a diagonal. The same for your kite here. Okay, the difference that you have between these, your rhombus, all the sides are going to be congruent. Your kite, your adjacent sides are going to be congruent. You're still going to have these diagonals. So we can call this right here. The diagonals go across your figure, non-adjacent. Here you have KT is a diagonal, and IP is a diagonal. And we need these diagonals for our area formula. So now you can look at your actual sheet. You'll see that the rhombus and the kite use the diagonals for area. Okay, you're really making with these here, the diagonals, you're making triangles, which is why we end up with this 1/2. That's where the 1/2 comes from, is the triangle formula, and you end up with these. Okay, you will have a sheet with all of these. Okay. So lastly, let's look at the examples. The area of a rhombus and a kite, find the area. Okay, we're going to use those formulas up top. The area is going to be diagonal 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, they give me both of the diagonals. Okay, here's diagonal 1, BD, diagonal 2. So I'm just plugging into a formula underneath. Area equals 1/2 times 14 times 10. Okay, I'm going to do the 1/2 last. So 14 times 10 is 140. Okay, 1/2 times 140 is going to be 70 centimeters squared. Okay, it's important, make sure you have your units and that they're correct. The second one is an example of a kite. We have in our example of a kite, this one's a bit different. I only have one diagonal, so here I'm given diagonal 1, or I'm given diagonal 2, I'm sorry. Find diagonal 1 of the kite when the area is already given to us. So I have my area. Okay, I want to fill in what I know. 414 equals 1/2 times diagonal 1, which I don't know, times diagonal 2. These are all multiplication, so I can do some of these first. I can do 1/2 times 23, okay, which is just some division. That's going to give me, what I did here was 23 times 1/2 gives me that 11.5 times that diagonal 1 still, and now I want to divide both sides by 11.5 to get 36 equals diagonal 1. Okay, and this should be actually 36, what are we using, feet? So to make sure that you have your units again. Okay, and we're gone. The classwork is informative after